Hello everyone, the holiday season is upon us, so I thought we'd do something fun and creative whenever you want to serve cocktails to your friends and family. These little separators come in all sorts of shapes and forms. You've seen them in shapes of seashells or even strings or whatever is in the market. And the purpose is to put them at the stem of each wine glass or champagne glass so that your guests are not confused which glass is theirs. Let's take the same concept and use fresh flowers. So I'm going to use gypsophilias. You just cut a bunch of them together in short stems. So as short as you can, bunch them together like so. Just a small little bunch is enough. You don't need very much. Each glass is going to get one, but in a different color. Cut them super short, and for simplicity you can just use tape around the stem of the glass, but if you want to make it a little bit nicer, a little bit more elegant, on top of the tape use a ribbon to cover the tape, but the tape doesn't show, so you can just leave it as that. And that's it. You just tape it to the glass. You can use on both sides, or you can just have on one side, and voila. So this is a white one. So in the interest of time, I've spray painted all the other ones, and I'll show you what they look like now. Here's a blue one, and a pink, green, yellow, and purple. Whether you have 6 guests or 8 or a dozen, as long as you buy different color spray paint, you can just spray paint it as light or as dark as you want. And voila, you have different color flowers for each glass, and your guests are not going to be confused which glass is theirs, and they're going to be super impressed with your creativity. If you learned something new in this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative ways to entertain. Talk to you later. Happy holidays. Cheers.